Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with this beautiful, simple, easy look. So if you guys want to know, then keep on watching, and also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. It's a silicone based primer and it already started becoming hot here. It is going to cover up the pores in my face. Next I'm going to take this concealer from K Beauty. It's a very, I like to use it to cover up all the dark or gray spots of my face. It has more orange in it, and then I'm going to blend it using this small concealer brush from M.A.C Cosmetics. And I'm not applying it on all over my face. I'm just going to apply this concealer the areas wherever I have gray spots. Next I'm going to take this Huda Beauty concealer. This is more of to highlight. I'm going to use it to reverse contour and also to highlight the center portion of my face, under my eyes, forehead, and then I'm going to blend it using the same brush. Both these concealers are very close to my skin tone, and I have used very little bit of it, and they are blending beautifully with my skin. Next I have taken some lipstick and I'm using it as blush. So to add some color to my face, and that brush was already having some concealer, so I'm going to blend the blush. Next I'm going to take this K Beauty banana powder. This is a loose powder, and I am going to bake my under eyes. First I'm going to set my under eyes, and then I'm going to bake my under eyes. This powder is very good and matte. This will make sure all my cream products sit properly. Next I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette from Dior, and I have used this eyeshadow palette to fill in my brows and also to do my eye makeup. So the darkest shade I have used for my brows. And I have used a very light contour brownish shade. The same shade I have applied it, blended it on my eyelid. And I have made sure I have blended this eyeshadow on all over my eyelid. Next I have removed the baking, the excess of powder that I have put. Next I put some eyeshadow in my lower lash line using a pencil brush. Next I have taken this bronzer from Tilbury. And taking this brush, I'm going to contour my face plus bronze up my face. and this has perfect amount of orange and cool tone shade. Next I have tight lined my upper and lower lash line using this Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. And I went for a very thin line and then blended it using an angled brush. Next I did little bit of nose contour using the same bronzer. Next I'm taking this K Beauty lip liner and a gloss from Rene. My lips were drying a lot, so this K Beauty lip liner was quite creamy, and on top of it I have used this gloss. Next I have used this M.A.C Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the shade Lavender and set my face. Next I have used this mascara from Maybelline, Sky High Mascara. I have also used this mascara to set my brow hair. This is also going to give some color to my brows, and yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.